Hello, and welcome to Blaze Design. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to download Twinmotion, the ultimate visualization tool for architects and designers. Whether you're new to the software or looking for a quick refresher, this guide has you covered. Let's get started. In this video, you'll discover 4 key tips to enhance your skills with Twinmotion, the go-to tool for architects and designers. Let's dive in. System requirements to check before installing. Path tracer requirements. This section outlines the essential hardware and software specifications needed to run the path tracer feature in Twinmotion, focusing primarily on the performance capabilities of your system's GPU and operating system. Operating system. The path tracer requires a minimum of Windows 10, ensuring that your system can handle the demanding computational processes involved in path tracing. Graphics card requirements. Your GPU must be DirectX 12 compatible, with a recommendation for NVIDIA RTX or AMD RX 6000 series graphics cards that have at least 8 GB of VRAM. This ensures that your system can handle the high-quality rendering and real-time computations necessary for path tracing. DirectX 12. Support. This section emphasizes that your graphics card must support DirectX 12, which is critical for compatibility and to enable the advanced rendering techniques used in the path tracer. Using multiple GPUs. The documentation clarifies that Twinmotion does not support the use of multiple GPUs for the path tracer. Only one GPU will be utilized, so having a single powerful GPU is more beneficial than relying on multiple less powerful ones. 2. How to access the Twinmotion download. Visit the official Twinmotion download page here. Alternatively, you can download Twinmotion via the Epic Games Store by installing the Epic Games launcher and searching for Twinmotion in the store. 3. A detailed step-by-step guide to installation. If using the Epic Games launcher, download and install the launcher, log in, or create an Epic Games account, search for Twinmotion in the store, and click Install to begin the download and installation process. Tips for getting started as a first-time user. After installation, launch Twinmotion from the Epic Games launcher. Explore the interface, start with basic projects, and utilize available tutorials within the application or on the Epic Games website to familiarize yourself with the software. Thank you for watching. I hope these tips help you get the most out of Twinmotion and improve your design workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.